Nature of matter. Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. For examples, let us consider few item like solid item, pencil, gas item helium, and liquid item water. Now we can learn about classification of matter. Matter has classified into two forms. One is mixture and other one is pure substance. Both the forms were further classified into two categories each. Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture components completely mix with each other. Example, sugar mixed with water. Heterogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures, the composition is not uniform throughout. Example, mixture of solid tiny particle of soil sediment while mixing with water. Let us take pure substances. It has elements and A compounds. In elements, consists of only one type of particles, may be atoms or molecules. Example, hydrogen H2. In compounds, 2 hydrogen, that is H2, plus 1 oxygen, that is O, gives water, that is H2O. That is, two different elements combines to form a compounds. Thank you for watching. Visit us at NeedBook